So good morning folks, Shane here. What a cracking day, 9 degrees March. There's a bit of blue up there in the sky. So today's video is really a bit of a morning about YouTube. Why is it that increasingly I see more and more videos, even uploaded by the likes of Teapot One and the Great Missenden Flyer and Richie Vida, that GoPro footage is becoming worse and worse and worse. I mean, I had a Hero 2, I think it was, HD back in the day, 2010, 2011, whenever it came out. And I was looking at some footage I took with that back then, in 1080. And it was fine. But here we are, 10 years plus down the line, or whatever it is, and I've got the Hero 7 Black, all singing, all dancing, you know, and the footage becomes pixelated, it becomes blurry, it becomes blinking horrible. Now, when you watch it on your screen at home, it's fantastic. You know, you watch it on the TV, whether you AirPlay it up to your 55-inch Sony, or you watch it on your Mac or your computer, whatever. It's pin sharp, it looks brilliant, you know, really, really good quality imaging. But you watch it on YouTube, and I thought, to be honest with you, oh, it's got to be me, the way I'm doing it. But I've had a look at some other vloggers, and it's all the same. So I understand that possibly the 7 Black uses 265, which is supposed to be better than 264 codec and all the rest of it. I mean, I've followed every different combination of trying to get really good quality for YouTube, and it's not working. So if anybody's got any ideas on how this could be improved or what's causing the problem, please leave a note in the bottom, because it really is frustrating. You know, there must be billions of YouTube creators out there, and millions of them who use GoPro's. So it's got to be down to YouTube, the way they compress the files, and to be honest with you, it's frustrating, really is frustrating. I know that you know, if I was to show it in full super duper 4K quality, it would take up huge amounts of room on their drives or whatever they have, or their clouds, I don't know. I'm not a techie guru. But come on guys, YouTube, you make millions upon billions of pounds from your channels, especially the ones with adverts on. So let's try and get this sorted, because what I can see happening is somebody else will come along, and then there'll be a mass exodus to the new channel, what can provide, or the new platform should I say, what can provide superb quality playback. You know, even if you said, look guys, there's a prescription charge of $20 a year or $30 a year to ensure you get good quality playback, I'd pay it. I'd pay it. I mean, I did join the YouTube thing at about 16 quid a month or $16 a month, but even then it was still pants. I mean, it does appear if you're Peter McKinnon or Casey Neistat, you do get good quality playback, but they get, apparently the more views you have, the better quality the video is. But you know, I've been looking at guys, I mean Teapot One for example, the Missenden Flyer, Richie Vida, all these characters, they get huge amounts of viewing, but they don't get the how can I put it, they don't get the same quality playback as I said, Peter McKinnon and the likes. So YouTube, please sort something out. So I'm filming this in 2.7K at 60 frames a second. So, you know, and I shall edit it on Final Cut at those settings, and I shall upload it, if it's not too big, straight from the can, shall we say. I render it, master file it using H.264, and then I shall put it on my desktop and upload from there. I shall also do a trial using Handbrake at 1440, 60 frames per second, constant frame rate, and same as Source, or 60 frames per second, with the video quality set at about 20. That should do the job. That should do the job. That should bring the file size down a bit as well. But as I say, please YouTube, sort this out, or I can see somebody coming along and knocking you off top place for a sharing platform. So let's get past some of this lot. I'm sure we can. Yes, yes. We'll tuck him behind the Golf. Oh my God. But yes, just in case you're wondering, I'm still loving the GS, and yeah, very wise move getting this bike. If you've not tried one, have a go. They are fantastic. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Fiat, causing grief. Okay. So anyway, YouTubers, hope you're all well, and as I say, please leave your comments and thoughts below regarding YouTube quality. And YouTube, if you are watching this, I doubt it, because my name's not Peter McKinnon. By the way, I love his stuff, so don't think I'm knocking him. I think he's absolutely fantastic. But if you are watching YouTube, please take heed of what I'm saying, because we are so fed up of having poor quality. And why is it some stuff comes up as 720 and others comes up as 1080, 60? I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, look forward to your response, if I get one. That's it, folks. Take care. Bye for now. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit that notification bell. You know it makes sense.